In Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board, the home screen is our entry point to the system, allowing us to navigate to any of the review sections. If we click on the Supply button, we're then taken to the Supply Review Facilitator dashboard. The dashboard provides the Supply Review Facilitator visibility of actual and planned performance and highlights changes and issues through alerts based on materiality criteria agreed with the Supply Review Chairperson. These include the impact of changes to the portfolio and demand plans from the previous review steps. Navigating from the Supply homepage, the Supply Review Facilitator is able to adjust planning parameters for critical supply constraints across the end-to-end supply chain, in line with the inputs from the supply point reviews that form part of the supply review preparation cycle. These may include suppliers, inbound logistics capacity, in-house resources such as manufacturing lines, warehousing and outbound logistics. For critical resources, the Supply Review Facilitator is able to set thresholds for alerts around magnitude of change to capacity required or over or under capacity projections. The system allows the Supply Review Facilitator to drill down to understand the source of the change in capacity requirement for a specific resource, which then supports the generation of options to address any resulting capacity imbalance. The Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board solution enables the impact of multiple demand scenarios to be modelled in real time. In this example, the demand team have created a scenario that models the impact of additional promotional activity resulting in additional sales. The impact of this additional demand can be simply modelled. We can see that in order to supply the additional product, overtime shifts will be required. The resulting financial impact in the form of increased COGS can also be modelled and understood. The increased demand can be supported, but at a cost. Inventory projections based on the demand and supply plans are captured and presented in demand-supply inventory charts. These can be translated into working capital projections and deviation from inventory policy highlighted by simple visualization. The impact of changes to demand and/or supply can be modelled and illustrated in real time. In order to create the Supply Review Information Deck, the Supply Review Facilitator can select views from the supply planning screens in the Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board solution in order to support the supply review agenda. No more recreating visuals in Microsoft PowerPoint. Text, including headlines, can be added to assist with telling the story about what has changed this cycle, the impact of that change, and the actions that have been taken or that require decisions as a result. In this example, latest COGS has changed versus budget and versus last month. The Supply Review Facilitator can include a simple visualization that explains the cause of the change and the action plans identified so far to address it. The software contains templates for capturing issues and decision recommendations. These templates can be used by the IBP facilitators in each review to provide a consistent presentation of issues, analysis, action options and recommendations for decision. The Supply Review Summary slide, capturing the key information to be shared with the rest of the IBP process, is created, stored and shared from within the Oliver Wight IBP Powered by Board software. Actions resulting from the review are captured with timing and accountability.